A very warm good morning to all. Today I will do the presentation on the topic Dhani Loans and Services NCD January 2022. In this particular presentation, we will do the analysis and we will try to figure out its valuation. Also, we will look towards some of the financial aspects of the Dhani loans, and also we will be looking towards the company and its product portfolio. So now, without wasting a further moment of time, now let's start our video. So the initial we have the introduction. Dhani Loans and Services Limited is a non-deposit taking systematically important NBFC registered with the RBI and a 100% subsidiary of Dhani Services Limited, formerly known as the India Bulls Ventures Limited. The company provides transaction finance to its customer through the Dhani app, also provides the personal loans, secured and the unsecured business loans to the individual and the corporates. The company has the three major product offerings: the personal loans, the business loans and the secured loans. Now let's talk about the product portfolio. So at the initial we have is the product loans. That is the personal loans we have. Dhani provides quick and the hassle-free personal loans ranging from the 1000 to 15 lakh rupees. The loan process is completely online and the customer just need to provide their PAN card and Aadhaar proof for availing of the loan. These loans can come at a tenure ranging of 3 to 24 months. Now let's talk about the business loan. Dhani provides easy business loan for small businesses. The funds can be used to invest in infrastructure, upgrade plant and machinery, expand our operations, increase working capital or maintain inventory, etc. These loans can be up to rupees 40 lakhs and do not require any collateral guarantor. These loans come at a flexible repayment tenure of 12 to 48 months. So this was all about the business loans. Now let's move to the secured loans. The company provides mortgage loans where customers can leverage the value of their residential commercial property for loans. The company provides secured loans with maximum finance against the market value where clients can continue to occupy the property. Small and mid-sized businesses, partnership firms, self-employed professionals or private or closely held companies are eligible for the secured loans. So this was all about the product portfolio of Dhani Loans. So now let's move to our next slide. We have as the Dhani Loan Services NCD January 2022 detail. So the issue will open on 4th January to till 27th of January 2022. Security name will be Dhani Loans and Services Limited and its type will be secured, redeemable, non-convertible NCDs, that is the non-convertible debentures. Issue size is 1,50,000 crores. It's 150 crores and the issue size is 150 crores. And the issue price will be rupees 1000 per NCD. The face value will be the same and the market minimum lot size will be 10 NCD and market lot will be 1 NCD. So we have the credit rating also IVR, that is AA, stable outlook by Informatics Valuation and Rating Private Limited. So this was all about the details of the Dhani Loans and Services NCD. So now let's move to our next slide. That is the NCD offered by category. We have the category that is the NCD reserves. We have the institutional, non-institutional, HNI, retail, and that's the total NCD will be constituted. So we have the institution that is 4,50,000, non-institutional comprises of 1,50,000, and HNI comprises and
50,000, non-institutional comprises of 1,50,000, and HNI comprises and retail both comprises of 4,50,000, which totals the NCD of 1,50,000. So now let's move to our summary of the consolidated financial information. We have the 3 years summary of the financial information for the Dhani Loans from the financial year 2019 to 2021, and in the row side we have is the total assets, total revenue and the profit after tax. So the company, as we can see, has done well in 2019, but it gradually decreased in 2021 from 138 to 83, and the same goes with the total revenue. The total revenue got increased in the year from 2019 to 2020 from 17,000 to 26,000, but it decreased in the year 2021, that is 11,776. And the last segment we have is the profit after tax. The profit after tax was good in the 2019, that is 3,845, but for the rest of the 2 years the profit gradually declined from 374 to 1,158, that is in negative figures. So this was all the financial information. So now at the last we have is the object of the issue. What is the objective of the company to raise the NCD? The company proposes to utilize the funds for the following objects, that is for the purpose of onboard onward lending, financing, and for repayment of the interest and principal of existing borrowings of the company and general corporate purposes. So this was all about the Dhani loans and securities NCDs. Thank you all for watching this video. Yourshops.com. Thank you.